Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your DualSense Edge controller on your PlayStation 5. So there's a couple ways we can do this. If we go up to the top, go to Settings, going down to Accessories, we can go to DualSense Edge Wireless Controller, and we can go to Reset right here on the bottom. And it says it will reset all your profiles and delete them from your PlayStation 5 unless you have it stored on your PlayStation 5 essentially. So you can go to Reset right here. And I actually don't know how to save these to my PlayStation 5. So if we go on over here, maybe there's an option to copy it. So I don't know. If you know, let me know down in the comments. But we can also go to the controller. And there's going to be a small reset hole right here in the bottom. Right here, just take a little toothpick or something like that. Then you should be able to just reset with that. Now, you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.